everyone. Welcome to our first week of educational psychology at UCLA Extension. I would like to first begin by introducing myself. I am Dr. Nicole Nicholson, and I will be your instructor for the course. A little bit about the course. First of all, we are going to be exploring for the first half of the course various learning theories. One of the reasons why we will be using or learning about these theories is so that we can actually use them and apply them to our own personal practice, which is actually what you are going to be doing throughout the course, but more specifically during the second half of the course as you work on your final project. Your final project will involve choosing a student or groups of students of whom you will design and give various assessments. In the beginning, you will analyze a data set and discuss your analysis in Canvas. Then you will give a pre-measure or pre-assessment to determine a present level of performance for your student or group of students. At that point, you will develop some learning goals and objectives for your students. And each week we will give them different forms of assessment in order to assess their progress and their learning throughout the duration of the project. At the very end, we will do some reflection and talk a little bit about the growth that your student or students made. Now, keep in mind, if you are not currently in a classroom, please go ahead and contact me. There are alternative assignments with slight modifications that can be made to the final project so that you can go ahead and do the final project just in a slightly different manner. Okay, as you look in Canvas, the first thing you will notice is that we have various tabs off to our left. You will notice that there is the course syllabus tab. The first thing you need to do is check out the syllabus. The syllabus is not only going to summarize what we will be covering each week during the course, but it will also list various assignments, point breakdowns, due dates, so on and so forth, as well as university policy. The second thing you should do is click on the Modules tab. Now you will notice in each module is essentially for each week of the course. You need to start at the very top of the module where there is an introductory tab that will introduce you to the course's content or the week's content for the course. And then it will also provide you with a little video to kind of give you some background on the topic or the content that we will be covering that week. After viewing the video, you will then complete the readings that are posted at the very top portion of each module. These usually consist of 1 or 2 PowerPoints and then usually 2 to maybe 3 readings. Below the readings, after completing the readings, you will find your assignments. You will complete these last, of course, after you have viewed all necessary videos and completed the readings. Your assignments typically consist of a discussion for the week, as well as an assignment where we will apply, say, learning theory or complete a step of the final project in the second half of the course. Please feel free to contact me at any time if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with all of you and getting to know